Hey, it's Ian, and today I have a name brand electric screwdriver that specializes in helping you assemble furniture up to 3 times faster. Let's take a closer look. Now, one thing that I really love about this is that it has all the same high quality features as those expensive power drills. It even comes with 5 separate drill bits. But what makes this stand out from all the rest is it has a specialized chuck, which makes this compatible with Allen wrenches. Plus, this even comes included with the most popular size of hex keys. So when you get that Swedish coffee table, you'll be able to put it together with ease. No more achy wrists, forearms, or fingers. And remember, this fits a wide variety of hex keys, even S-shaped ones. Now, another thing you're absolutely gonna love about this is its compact size allows it to fit into those tight corners and small spaces that those larger drills just can't fit into. Now, another advantage this has over those full-size power drills is this is specially calibrated to have the perfect amount of torque. So when you're putting together your furniture, you won't damage it. No more over-tightening those screws, ripping through particle board, or stripping those screws. And while this is ideal for putting together furniture, you could use this for practically anything you would use a traditional screwdriver for. Plus, it has a nifty LED work light to illuminate your workspace. Now, this is outfitted with an internal, lightweight, rechargeable battery, so the battery will always stay with you no matter where you go. Now, one thing I want to mention is the reason our deal on this is so awesome is because we can't say the name brand. But if you take a close look, I'm sure you'll recognize this logo. Now, when you see the deal we have for this on the site, you are going to be blown away. But I do want to warn you, this is a closeout. So when they're gone for good. So make sure you get yours before we're all sold out.